Understanding Swig from the bottle, a guide to casual English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or even in casual conversations: swig from the bottle. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Swig from the bottle refers to taking a large, hurried gulp or drink directly from a bottle, rather than pouring it into a glass or cup first. This action is often associated with a casual, carefree attitude towards drinking, and it might not be considered polite in formal settings. The phrase can be used both literally, to describe the physical action of drinking, and figuratively, to suggest a kind of raw or direct experience. Casual conversations. In casual settings, you might use this phrase to describe a person's action at a party or during a laid-back gathering. For example, he took a swig from the bottle instead of using a glass. In literature and movies, writers and directors often use this phrase to portray characters in a more raw and unfiltered light, showcasing their rough edges or carefree nature. Figurative usage. Sometimes, the phrase is used metaphorically to describe someone experiencing something directly and intensely, without any filters or intermediaries. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. While taking a swig from the bottle might be seen as normal in some informal gatherings, it's important to be aware of the social norms and expectations of the place you are in. Additionally, this phrase can carry connotations of rebellion or nonconformity, depending on the context. That wraps up our exploration of swig from the bottle. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the situations and contexts in which they are used. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also its cultural nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.